Let me show you how easy it is to make this pecan crusted chicken breast. This packet of nut cuttings is made by Diamond and contains both walnuts and pecans, and it is keto friendly. I'm using the ranch flavored packet here, which I got from Publix, and it turned out delicious. Here is all you need for this recipe. I used 4 chicken breast fillets, 2 eggs for the egg wash, and the packet of the coating mix. I also used coconut oil that I got from Costco to fry the chicken. So I started out by dipping the chicken into the egg wash, one at a time, and then into the nut coating mixture, as you can see here. Remember when dealing with raw chicken not to use the same utensils to serve with. I placed the chicken into the hot oil. I did that on a medium temperature so as not to burn the chicken. After flipping the chicken, you can see how crispy that it actually gets. Listen to that sizzle. Now, I also tried cooking these in my air fryer. Frankly, it turned out much better. So I put the 2 chicken breasts in after coating it in the mixture. I closed the door on my air fryer and I set it for 380 degrees for 15 minutes so as not to burn the chicken. And look how delicious it came out. Now I'm checking the temperature to make sure it's a minimum of 165 degrees. So this is how it turned out. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and share so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos for low carb and keto friendly meals. Now here are the ingredients on this nut mixture. And another thing that's pretty cool about this Diamond mixture is that it comes in original flavor and also ranch. So thank you for joining my channel. Again, make sure that you subscribe, like, and share to your friends.